Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase microphone volume in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and go to your search and search for settings. Then just open up settings. Then from the left hand menu, go to system. Then from here, just go to sound. And from here, just make sure the proper input device is selected. You can check it from here, the volume. And make sure the volume is set to a high level so that the mic is actually working. And we need to increase the volume from one other places, so just close this. After that, just go to this sound icon at the bottom left corner and right click on it. Then just click on open sound settings. Then just scroll all the way down. Then from here, just click on more settings. Then you'll get this. And in here, what you need to do is just click on recording. Here you'll see your mic, and this is the mic which I need to increase the volume of. So just right click on it and click on properties. And from here, just go to levels. And from here, you just need to increase your levels. Just make sure the level is set to the highest. And after that, just make sure everything else is okay and click on apply, click on OK, click on OK again. And that's basically it. And that is how to increase the volume of your microphone in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.